Hello friends, this is Sauvagya and you are watching Art and Click. In this video, we'll discuss how to use 3D sculpting for making a beautiful sketch with any complicated topic or subject. And here is a sketch of uh, the objective is to make a sketch of a horse with horse rider. So let me show you. If I do this from my imagination, then the sketch goes like this. I'm not that good artist. I'm an average artist, and imagination sometimes struggles to do a proper sketch. Uh, if everybody is not very good imagination, and what is the solution for an average artist? We need two things: imagination and skill, to make a good sketch. And this is my sketch from my imagination. And so you can see that sketch is not up to the mark. You can't really decide whether it is a horse or a dog, and if horse, then how is it justified? Is it up to the mark? No, it's not up to the mark. So let me start with a technique where you don't need 100% outstanding skill. With average skill you can do it. So I followed this blender way. In blender way, what I did, I went with a picture. I brought that picture to blender, and I started in object mode. I added the sphere, and I sculpted it to a horse, and then I added a character, the rider, and then that's it. So here the advantage is this sculpting didn't take me so much time. I think 30 minutes or 1 hour, but you get so many views. Just see, you get so many views. So now you got the freedom, and next what to do is choose a position that you like. And further, there is orthographic and as well as angular view. If the image is, yes, you can see the difference. One is isometric view, another one is perspective view. This is perspective and this is isometric. So have a look, see. And for comic illustration, this perspective view is more worthy, that looks more interesting, more attractive. So if I choose this, or say this, from a bit downside, from bit down angle, and let me show the hand a little bit more. Yes, this is a good angle. And then what I do, I go for print screen. This is the print screen. So you got a frame, and you got it. So it is captured, and next is to come to Clip Studio. Well, this was the sketch from imagination, and now we got a support. And let me draw this. Right, let me draw this, and now let's make it a bit bigger, and let's bring it to back, and from here. So we got a sketch reference. Now just superimpose it and sketch it. And here it is. And let me add a gun here. How does a gun look like this? Maybe. And the air. So things are quite easy now. So this way the rope comes connected here, and that's it. Now you can compare both the sketches, that this sketch is much better accurate and much more convincing. So this is how I approach, and the advantage is you get many views and you get more accuracy. And then detail it. If I didn't detail it, and once detailed it will look more convincing and more beautiful. So this was my tips. I thought this is shareable, and you just can add more color. See how once you add little support to the sketch, it will look more interesting. So this was a quick illustration, and the objective was how to use Blender sculpting for making 2D illustration. This was my second tutorial. In upcoming days I will bring more tutorials, and if you like the content of this channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.